Good morning. It's a great day to do business in Caldwell County, isn't it? I have the best view in the whole wide world, all of you and all of this, and I want to thank you very much for coming and joining us this morning. This is a very special day. Caldwell County is once again a success story in the making. And all across this county are buildings that once were something else. Something else was happening and being manufactured in them, or business was taking place. But today, they're doing something other than what they were originally designed for. And none of them are any more iconic than this building right here. More than half a century, this building represented one of the finest families of America, one of the finest furniture brands of America, and one of the most well-known industries in America. And it's been represented a legacy for the industry and for our community. Today we celebrate the second life of this building as we celebrate the successes of its new occupant, Exela Pharma Sciences. We are proud to celebrate and introduce them to you and to celebrate their headquarters here on Main Street, Caldwell County. Let me tell you just a little bit about Exela. They manufacture pharmaceuticals. They employ more than 100 people, and they are committed both to their industry as well as their family, which includes their employees. I'm going to, in a moment, introduce to you that family. First, I'd like to say Finesh. This is Finesh, Dr. Finesh Konaru. And I'm going to ask you to stand here, please, sir, with me. We've got a few folks who would like to say a few words to you as we go through this process. And we just simply want to say thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'd like to introduce William Howard, who is the chairman of the Caldwell Economic Development Commission. You need to stay right here.
Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Moment of community pride, if you may. Deborah mentioned several poignant comments about this building, the family that built it, the company and man that occupy it now, and I just want to simply thank the elected officials of both the city of Lenoir and the county of Caldwell for allowing the EDC time and for their patience in allowing us the opportunity to market this building and to put a manufacturer, a company in it such as Exela. So I thank you. There are many elected officials with us this morning, so please accept this public thanks on behalf of the Economic Development Commission of your county. Secondly, we are so honored to have Finesh and his group of entrepreneurs in this building. They're going to occupy soon a building also on Morganton Boulevard that we're excited about their growth and expansion in Caldwell County. He told our board just a few minutes ago that they started in Lenoir and Caldwell County in 2008. Boy, were they a salmon swimming upstream. I'm not sure anything started in 2008. That was when things started to turn the other way. But what vision and what leadership and what inspiration and what passion they have for their product, this community, their employees. And it excites me, again, being a product of this town, that we are able to support their growth. Back then, 25, 30 employees. Today, over 100. So we thank you, sir, publicly for the opportunity to be the place that you've chosen to grow. And we officially welcome you to Lenoir and Caldwell County. And on behalf of the board of the EDC, it's my pleasure to present you an American flag. Hopefully it'll go on the side of Morganton Boulevard.
Thank you.
And now I'd like to bring up the chairman of the Caldwell County Commission, Mr. Clay Bollinger. If you want to put that right here.
Good morning. How about this building, the grounds? He looks good outside too, doesn't he? So I think we need to give him a good hand for what he's done to this facility. I was talking with Paul Broy. He's a very proud person today too, to see this building occupied again, and a lot of things, good things going on. And Finish, it's such an honor to have any small part of just being a part of what you've done with this county. You're such an asset in the county, and it pleases me to even stand up here and just talk about it a little bit. But this has been a great, 8 years, I believe it is now, and created 100 jobs and still going. We thank you so much. And at this time, present you with a Caldwell County flag. Thank you so much.
Things like this take many, many, many partners, and Finish has attracted partners all over the state to work with him, work with us. One of those very important partners is Blue Ridge Electric, and Doug Johnson is here to say a few words about their participation with Exela.
Thank you, Deborah. Good morning. You know, as I sit here with the man who built this building and the man who brought it back to life, it's a great day, because I can remember sitting in my office across the way and feeling so sad to see weeds growing up in the parking lot here, and a building that once represented so much not being used. And as Finish came here and brought Exela, just day after day there were more cars here and more cars here, and people coming to work, people having an opportunity. And I think for Blue Ridge to be involved in this in a small way by helping Exela get a USDA loan at 0 interest to help expand here and grow this facility was something that was a great privilege for us to be involved in and to have that opportunity. But I congratulate Finish today. One of the other things that I would say out of all of this, I've also developed a new good friend. Finish and I talk regularly, and I'm enjoying hearing his vision, his passion, and there's more great things to come out of Finish, Kenuru, and Exela. So we congratulate you.
Some other people celebrating you. Well, we are in the city of Lenoir, and it only makes sense to welcome the mayor of the city of Lenoir to say a few words to Finish, Mayor Gibbons.
Thank you, Deborah. It is a pleasure to be here this morning to welcome a company that has been with us for a number of years, and we're so proud of. Finish, we're saying welcome again, but you've been with us. We're honored to have Exela in our community. It's such a wonderful day to see this building back in such great use after so many years of the wonderful family, the Broy family who was here. Mr. Broy, of course, is with us, a man who has done so much for this community. And it's just wonderful that we are now occupying this building again. And today, I know that Finish is very involved in our community in many ways. We are proud to say that the hospital gala will be here this next month in September the 20th. Will be in this building. So he's already contributing so many things back to our community, and we're so proud of that. As we do, I get to be the last flag of the day, but one that we're very proud of, our City of Lenoir flag, which we hope will be flying on the pole very soon. But Finish would like to present you with the City of Lenoir flag and just say we are so honored that you are here and this company is going, and anything we can do to help you. Thank you very much.
The man of the hour, Dr. Finish Kenuru.
Thank you all very much for coming today. It's a great honor and privilege to be here at this building and with Mr. Broy and our distinguished guests. I could not have imagined a better day today. As you know, many of you, Exela has been here for several years, and it has not been an easy journey. We struggled, but we came through, and we are now successful, and we continue to grow. And I expect this growth to continue some more time for several years. And as I said many times in the past, we have never been disappointed, even for one single day, to be here in Lenore. The support we get from everyone at every level of the government, either whether it is in Lenore, at the county level, or at the state level, we have gotten a lot of support. And without their support, we would not have gotten to this far. And just to name a few, we have gotten the 1NC grant, we have gotten the matching funds, and we have gotten many other grants, Rural Center grant. And I want to thank all of them that worked on the projects at different levels at the county and the state to make these things happen. And as I said in the past, a company is not going to be successful without dedication and commitment of its employees. And we have a lot of our employees today here. And I want to honor some of them, especially those that have been there with us for several years. I just do not want to forget anyone that has been here for 5 years or longer. So I'll give the names, and if you can raise your hand if you're here, that would be great. Tracy Brown, Wade Church, Meredith Clark, Regina Huffman, Kelly Lawrence, Dr. Murthy, Donna Oliver, Jose Ortiz, Doug Schmidt, Alex Suits, Jonathan Sterling, Alan Stiles, Legina Walker, Sean Williams. Thank you all for your dedication and hard work. And in addition to this, I want to thank my neighbor across the street, Blue Ridge Electric. And as Doug said, we are good friends, and I appreciate their support and their leadership in the role in the community. It is exceptional. I thank you all. And then finally, I want to thank a couple of business partners we have that stay with us every step of the way and help us every day. And one of them is Mitchell at City Machine. Mitch, thank you for being there. Appreciate it. Yeah. Okay, without your help, some of our days would have been miserable. Appreciate that. Okay. And then Chris McBride, Bank of America. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. Yeah. And then there are many others that really help us, that are in the community and help us grow and succeed. I thank you all. And then finally, I want to thank the guest of honor, Mr. Broy for making the trip today. And we really appreciate his vision in building this building. And it's an exceptional building. As we settle in, we find it a very, very great building to be in. And I thank him for that. And one last word. Exela has grown to be 100+ employees today, and we intend to continue to grow. But at the same time, we are very committed to Lenoir and the Caldwell County. So whenever we think of an expansion, we are not looking anymore at other counties and other cities. So as you can see, the latest acquisition was on Morganton Boulevard. Okay, that's what we did. We decided to do locally, grow, and improve the community. And for that, we have gotten a lot of help again from the city and the state and the county. And again, we are thankful for that. And I think, Exela today, as I said in the board meeting earlier, represents a fine example of private, public, and community partnership. I don't believe there is any other example out there in any other community like this, where the private enterprise and the community and the government have worked together and reached this success. And I want to thank everybody for that. Okay? Thank you, Deborah.
We'd like to ask Mr. Paul Broy to join us as we cut the ribbon, but he's asked to be able to say a few words. Mr. Broy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For many years, this building was a symbol of the vibrant furniture industry that we had in western North Carolina. Then when the factories closed and this building was shut down, it was certainly a sad day for Lenoir and Caldwell and the entire area. But now we see Finesh bringing the building back to life, and he's helping to bring the economy of Lenoir and Caldwell back to life. So Finesh, we thank you very much, my friend. We're very glad to have you all the way from India to Lenoir and Caldwell County.
Thank you.
Now this is Finesh. Will you join him over here?
Yeah.
Who else would you like to have up here with you for the first one?
Jonathan. You have to hold the little girl.
You guys step up here, please, with them.
Roll this back.
Yes.
Ooh.
You want to stand back. We're going to do several of these, but this